So how to fix stranded inventory. So for example, like this one, we have 21 units stranded. So what you're going to do is fix stranded inventory. And then if you can see here, there are items, that you need to request approval. You can see here. So these items, we received like an email from Amazon that we cannot sell these products anymore. So that's why Amazon put everything, this in the stranded inventory. So what you're going to do is click this arrow. So for example, like this one, and then click create removal order. So it will open another window. And then what you need to do is enter the units that you need to return in your address. So out of 6 units, no? So make sure that your return address is entered right, so it will return to your address. And then once you already click review, and then confirm the removal. Okay, so that's it. So you need to do that now to make it, so those items, that you can, those item will return to your address, and you still have time, to return those items to your supplier. Because for me, that's how we are doing. Of course, we don't want to lose any money, so that's why we will just return all of these products that we cannot sell into the supplier. So that's it. So that's how you fix the stranded inventories in your Amazon Seller Central.